Hey, welcome to Howza channel. In today's lesson, we will teach you how to save a web page in PDF. Open Google Chrome. For this tutorial, we are going to use our YouTube channel page. Click on the three dots at the top right corner of your window and choose Print. Click on Change button and choose Save as PDF. Choose what pages you want to save. You can also choose a page orientation, portrait, or landscape. If you click on More Settings, you can choose the paper size and set the margins. You can also choose if you want to zoom in or out of the page, set header and footer, background. Click on Save button at the top of the page and set the path. Click Save. You have the web page as PDF file now. Enjoy! Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day.